So let's see what happens. Let's get a capo on the neck so the strings hold in place, and we're just gonna, of course I went the wrong way and I just snapped the string. You know what? I think I'm gonna put new strings on this, but I'm gonna keep the capo on. Multiple screwdrivers here, people. Here we go. They gave me no trouble. These are the ones I'm going to put on. So let's see how much drilling I have to do. And guess what, people? It looks like I don't have to do any drilling. I am not the most handy person in the room when it comes to stuff like this. I don't know if you can see that, but the ends have like a little curve, so you get two of these, so you got to make sure you put them in the right spot. So that one goes there. I'm either going to screw it up or I'm going to do a good job. We'll find out. That ain't working, so let's take this one. Let's take a Sharpie and mark where I'm supposed to drill the holes. Didn't work. I did have drills. To be honest with you, I haven't seen them. What did I do with them? Alright, so what I did is I put a 1/16 drill bit on the drill, and I marked how long the screw is because I don't want to go deeper than that. And here we go. Make sure I got these lined up again. Alright, let's see. Oh, already it's off, I could tell. See how it pulled. That one I might have gone a little too far, people. I can't see with my glasses, so this is hard. There has to be an easier way. Why does everybody make it look so freaking easy on YouTube? just think I got 4 more of these to do. Really? 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 Alright. Wish me luck. Alright. I was going to say, like usual, I need 3 screws and I only have 2. But I did just find the other one, so we're okay. Alright, that one went pretty good. No issues. Well, that screw's actually stripped out. Slide these through. Oh, gosh, this is awkward. Hello. E is brass. What's this one here? This is life. Make sure that's the right one. We went silver. We went brass, red, now black, green. Okay, there's the green. Pull this back in. That's what it looks like on the back. That's what it looks like on the front. Alright, that's it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.